Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757. Just worked on a customer with a 2018 Kia Sorento. He has a GDI engine. If you have a GDI engine, you'll know because I'll have it on the cover, and also EcoBoost. You do not have the option of skipping changing your oil. Your fuel pump is at a high pressure and it is shooting inside the engine, which is putting more pressure on the engine, and the piston rings will wear out quicker, and your fuel and your oil will start to mix and your car will run like pure crap. I always tell everybody, if you have this type of vehicle, and if you can, this is if you can, get rid of the vehicle before 100,000 miles. Those high pressure pumps push out sometimes 15 to 3,000 psi of fuel, and that is shooting directly in your vehicle. The other vehicles have fuel injectors for each cylinder. This one has a pump that pumps it directly into the engine, and you cannot skip changing the oil. If you have to do it every 2,500 miles, if you have to stay with the vehicle, do it. If you skip doing the oil change on these engines, I guarantee you everything you have in your bank account and own, your vehicle will be trashed. This is just a mechanic tip for GDI and EcoBoost engines. Be extremely careful and baby them and take care of them more than you normally would. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.